If you want to learn how to replace your toner on a Brother Printer MFC 8910dw, then you'll come to the right place. So in this video, I'll be talking about how to do that in the quickest amount of time. So before we begin, you should make sure that you have a replacement toner cartridge already ready. And for the MFC printer, you'll need a Brother TN420 or a high-yield TN450 toner cartridge. I also recommend having a trash bag nearby for the old cartridge that you're gonna take out. So step 1 is to open the front cover. At first, make sure your printer is turned on. Locate the front cover of the printer and open it fully. You'll see the drum unit and toner cartridge assembled inside. And don't worry, this is designed to be super user-friendly. Step 2. Remove the drum and toner assembly. Now grab the green handle on the drum unit, pull it straight out towards you until the entire drum and toner assembly slides out completely. Set it down on a clean, flat surface. Personally, I like to put it down on some paper towel just in case. Step 3. Separate the toner from the drum. Here is the key part. You're going to separate the toner cartridge from the drum unit. Look for a blue lock lever on the left side of the assembly, push the lever down and lift the toner cartridge up and out of the drum unit. An important note to be careful with the drum unit: don't touch the green drum roller, as oils from your fingers can damage it and affect print quality. Step 4. Prepare a new toner. Unpack your new toner cartridge before installing it. Gently rock it side to side at least 5 to 6 times to distribute the toner powder evenly inside. This ensures optimal print quality from the get-go. Next, remove the protective cover from the new cartridge. It usually is an orange or yellow plastic plate that pulls off easily. Step 5. Install the new toner. Now firmly insert the new toner cartridge into the plumb unit until you hear it click into place. Make sure your blue lever locks back up. This ensures the toner is securely attached to the drum. Step 6. Reinstall the assembly. Slide the entire drum and toner assembly back into the printer. Use the green handle to guide it smoothly until it stops. Make sure it's fully seated inside the printer. Step 7. Close and reset. Close the front cover firmly until you hear it click again. The printer should automatically recognize the new toner, and if you see a replaced toner message on display, it should be clear within a few seconds. And that's about it. You have now successfully placed a toner cartridge inside of your Brother MFC 8910dw. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!